What is up, everybody? This is Alex over here at Courtesy Jeep in Mesa with another one of our Courtesy Customs builds. This one is a Willys Gladiator, giving you the best of both worlds between capability and functionality. Paired it with our JKS 3-inch lift kit with the heavy-duty coils and the Fox 2.0 Performance Series shocks, giving you a lot of capability with a little package. We've got a Fox stabilizer pass-through, which is honestly the best setup. Has no resistance one way or another. You've got a JKS adjustable track bar, keeping that axle nice and centered. Got the JKS quick disconnect sway bar end links. I personally run basically this whole setup on my Gladiator and it works phenomenally. We swapped out the grille on this one to kind of accentuate the black on this one. So you've got the gloss black bezels on the granite color on that. Kind of matches perfectly with the fenders too. We've got a Rough Country 9,500 pound winch. Got the Fab Fours bumper in there. And we're running 17-inch fuels on 35-inch Toyo Open Country RTs. Honestly, really like the RT. Does not ride nearly as aggressively as you'd expect for this kind of a tread pattern. So they actually call that a hybrid tire. So that way you still keep your comfortability on the street, but they definitely perform off-road. Got the Fab Predator steps, nice and sturdy. I know I'm not the biggest guy in the world, but a lot of these other ones really do start to flex when you get up there. So it's nice to have something sturdy while still capable. This one's got keyless entry. The bed liner from the factory. Does have the tow package on there. Yes, you can actually tow with these. And then we've even got the adjustable sway bar end links in the rear with a matching spare. Not everybody does the matching spare in there, but we make sure to always include those on our builds. Factory tow package, you don't have to worry about that after the fact. Look at how nice that interior is. Got the Mopar headliner kit. Actually makes a huge difference here in the summertime between the dropping down the temperature in there as well as the noise. You don't get a lot of that wind noise that kind of comes standard on these Jeeps. Get that. Got the garage door opener and dual climate control, and probably my favorite feature right there, select track. Select speed is what allows you to select what speed you want to when you're off-roading, and it does not care what you're doing, whether going uphill, downhill, through rocks, sand, it will hold that speed and get the Jeep going. Let's unlock that. There we go. Comes with the bag to put your hard top afterwards. You've got under seat storage, which actually fits that bag perfectly. What a nice setup on that. Functionality, capability, what more could you ask for? Come on down and ask for stock number Jacob 235722. That's stock number J235722.